In this video, we're going to unbox the Ubeesize 10-inch selfie ring light with 50-inch extendable tripod stand and flexible phone holder for live stream, makeup, YouTube video. I do have the link right below this video, but you can go ahead and get ordered with this. If you want to do videos in 2021, I highly recommend doing this because they had a really good rating and we have it right now. Hey, what's going on? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. How do you feel about that? Here I'm here with my dog and we're gonna unbox this right now. So let me go ahead and get it set up for you. But let me get it set up. So we're getting ready to unbox this right now. Look at this. So this is the Ubeesize, just like I just showed you, the cell phone ring with the 50-inch extendable tripod stand, good for YouTube videos. Now this is what it looks like right now. Look at this. Two boxes. It came from Amazon. That's the box right there. This is the box right here that comes with Ubeesize. It's probably backwards in there. So I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like. So it's pretty exciting. First thing I got is, hey, a holder. This is where the cell phone goes, right? So they got the holder and it's got other pieces that goes along with the holder. So we're going to put it right here. And here's the plug-in. Here's a plug-in that goes right there. So I'll put that right there. And the remote control looks like a wireless remote control. It says Android or iPhone. So if you have an iPhone or Android, it actually has a remote control, but you can actually switch the settings. So a little hot today. So here we go. So then here's the actually tripod itself. It is the Ubeesize TR50, and it comes with a nice bag. Actually, you can kind of carry this around. And we're showing you this. And look at this. Look at this. Comes with the tripod stand. Look at this. The tripod. Yay. I don't know how long it is. And this is it right here. Flexible. Very, very cool. And then you can actually change the settings, or the height, I should say. So I think it's the highest it goes. Look at this. This is where you put your adapter. You put this on here, and nice. So look at this. So you got the tripod right there. I'll leave this right here. Then you have the ring light. This is the ring light. So this is the ring light. Don't forget, right below this video, I do have a link for you can go ahead and order this if you're wanting to do videos, live videos, recorded videos. And this is really good for beginners. If you're just starting out, this is a really good set and it's very affordable. Now, here is the ring light right here. And look at this, got a little adapter. You can change the lighting settings. And this is where you plug in. You can plug this in as well. It's a little plug in there. So you have the ring light. And that's really it. Okay, you get a nice little bag. You get a little bag that I guess put all your stuff in. All your extra stuff that you're not using, you can actually put this stuff in there. This is the bag that you kind of carry with, so you can travel with this thing. This is really, really cool. And you got the ring light. So you got the ring light. You have the tripod, so you can go ahead and set it up. Set this up here. You got the ring light here. And then that's really it. You got the little adapter, and you have the plug-in. This is where you plug in your ring light. So here's the tripod. And then this is where I plug in the ring light. So if I just open this up, let's see here. If I open this up, it kind of tied around. And I set up the ring light. Oops. Look at this. The ring light. Put it in here. The adapter, this is the battery adapter. And check this out. I'm actually going to plug this in and kind of show it to you. Show it to you. This is Adam Shelton. All right. This is the place to be to grow your brand and grow your bank account. Absolutely. So here it is like so. And look at this. Cool light. Got it plugged in. And look at the features on here, the settings. Look at this. Look at that's the setting. Look at that. Change the colors. Look at the colors change. Look at that. This is really bright. Look how bright this is. You can turn it off very easily, but you can turn it on right here. Look how bright that is. Wow. Look at this. This is really, really cool. And so this is it right there. And yeah, this is pretty cool. You just kind of set this up in here and you just put this together there. So I'm going to see how long this tripod is. Just to see how long it goes first. So I think this is as long as it goes. So this is a 10-inch. So yeah, this is pretty good. This would be really good for, like, you could put it on your table or something like that. This is really good if you just trying to do a video or in a table setting. If you're sitting down, I won't recommend. It's not long enough to like do them when you're standing up. It doesn't look like it because it's not long enough because this is how high as it goes. And I think so. I mean, this is pretty much a good, really good starter. I would think tripod. I think it does the job. It does. You got this, and you have the light that goes with it, like at the top here, and then you have the cell phone part will go right here. So, but anyway, this is my review. I like it. It's very sturdy. It's got good ratings on here. It's got like 36,651 people rated this. This is really good for like beginners. If you're trying to do videos in your house or outdoors and you're just sitting down, I recommend you get something like this, a ring light, and also an actually tripod. And hold on, you know what? And also I got the Lavalier microphone, I'll be right back. So I got the Lavalier microphone, and this is really good too because this is a microphone. You can get this as an add-on. Get this as an add-on that's actually on here. And it's like a Lavalier microphone. You just tighten it. I'll show it to you. You just put it on like so. And then you set this up on you put this in your cell phone. Now you may have to get an adapter if this doesn't fit your Android or iPhone. I had to get an adapter for this because it doesn't fit on my actually cell phone. I'm actually doing a video on the phone, but I had to get an adapter. So I had to get like a little adapter. It's like $10. And basically it will go into the cell phone in terms of the audio area. But I wanted to do this because I wanted to have a really good sound. And I have the link right below this video. You can order this as well as an add-on. I suggest to do it because it's definitely going to make your videos pop a little bit more. So that's the review. I suggest getting the Lavalier microphone. Haha, Lavalier, look at that. Like a news reporter. Like a news reporter. And then the dog, he likes it. He's sitting over there just looking, and it's probably time to feed him probably. But look at this. You got the ring light, which is very, very bright. I'll do a recap. Look how bright this is. Look at that brightness. You got that, different colors of it. You get the microphone, the wireless microphone. You got Android. Look at this. It says, I don't know if you can see this. It says Android or iOS. So it's got, actually it says iOS. It's like iOS or Android. Look at that. So you can just flip it over. And that's really it. It just connects pretty well. I'm talking to you on the cell phone right now, so I won't likely hook everything up. And it does got instructions. So this is what it looks like at the end of the day. This is what it'll look like. And it does give you instructions, very, very step by step. So if you're not sure how to set it up, step by step is really simple and really easy to do. Really, really good, step by step. And I like it. I like it pretty well. I would use this often, when I can, and doing review videos or doing any type of videos in terms of, getting more close and personal. So I advise you to go to this website, go to the link, click on the link below in the description box, the Ubeesize 10-inch selfie ring light with a 50-inch extendable tripod. I'll show it to you one more time. So this is it right here. That's it right here. I'll have the link right below this video. Look how close that is. Look how affordable that is. And I'll show you also, that's the Lavalier microphone that I got right there. And this is the actually tripod itself with the ring light. There's the microphone, and these are just an additional here. So you don't have to do that. So what happens is when you take off, this is what I did. I took off that and I paid that. But I have the link right below. You can get right to it and order it. And you can put it together if you want to. If you don't want the microphone, it'll just cost that. If you want the microphone, then I was showing it to you. There you go. That's the price right there. So, okay. All right. So go ahead and order this. Start doing videos. Start making it happen. Create content and value to your marketplace or to your audience. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next video, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. Click on the link below. Go ahead and order your tripod today, and I'll see you on the next video.